guys, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man, we're around here. Stay tuned so far. Morning guys, and Merry Christmas to one and all. Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so today guys I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking for today. Yeah, yesterday I already show you the meat. So yeah, I season up my meat like my chicken. I already told you that I'm doing some jerk chicken and some salmon and I guess some oxtail as well. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show that to you in a minute. Yeah man, because I already finished cooked some of the stuff. Like my salmon is ready. Yeah man, nice and early, because I want to have a nice and early day. You know what I mean? So yeah, stay tuned. Right about now I'm gonna get the chicken on the grill. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, check in. I'm gonna get my chicken on the grill. Now, so you can see for yourself, it's no joke around here. I'm doing some jerk chicken for real. Yeah. So this is it guys. Yeah man guys, check in guys. Yeah, I'm gonna check on my chicken, so it's going on. This is it guys. This is it. So stay tuned guys. So yeah, meanwhile this cooking guys, I'm gonna show you what's going on inside the kitchen. Yeah, got my oxtail there cooking as well, and I'm making some jerk sauce as well, so I'm going to show you that, so just stay tuned. Hey guys, check in. Come on, over here in this little pot I'm making some jerk sauce. Yeah. In this one here, it's my gongo peas. And over here, we have some manish water guys. Proper manish water. So, let me show you. See? Yeah man, so we're going up at, yeah man, proper manish water. That is it. And over here, in my pressure cooker, yeah man, I'm cooking up some oxtail. Yeah. So as soon as finished, I'm going to show you all that. So right about now guys, I'm going to check in back on the jerk chicken, see what's going on. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, yeah man. This is it. Get them on that change. Some of them coming out nicely, man. One time, man. Yeah guys, check in. Yeah man, this is my finished salmon. So yeah man, everything look festive around here guys, so stay tuned. Yeah man. Stay tuned guys. I'm gonna show you my table. I think they're setting up the table, so I'm gonna show it to you. Check in guys. Yeah man. So as I promised that I was gonna show you the table. This is where all my family members and friends will sit in. Yeah man. We all gonna sit around this table, gonna take some food. We have some salmon over there, some jerk chicken here, and we have some oxtail here. Yeah man. And there's a lot now where this came from. Plus we have some soil over there. You saw me prepare this today as well. Yeah, some more soil over here. Yeah, so they're setting up the table nicely. So everything coming together nicely guys. So stay tuned. Yeah man. So forward. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my rice and peas still on the stove, so I'm gonna show you that in a minute. So stay tuned. Yeah man, you're looking festive. Look at the table. Yeah, they're setting up the table. Nice. Yeah man. Yeah, so we out here guys, we're around here. Yeah man. So Merry Christmas to one and all. And guys, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man. We're around here. Stay tuned so far. Yeah, checking guys. Yeah man, so yeah, right. I think it's finished now. Just about. And that's my rice with gunga peas. My rice and gunga peas, guys. Look at it. See? So short. So yeah, this is it. This is the Christmas vibe, guys. So stay tuned. The Brussels sprout still cooking. It's not finished, yeah? Yeah. And my thing over here is finished, my manish water. Yeah man, that's finished. See, yeah guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and make sure you enjoy your Christmas. Have a wonderful Christmas when it comes guys. Yeah man, we're around here in my kitchen there. Yeah man, so stay tuned soon forward. Check in guys. Yeah man, I'm gonna have some food now, some dinner now guys, so stay tuned and watch what's going on. I'm digging a piece of the salmon. Come on. Alright, this is it. Jerk chicken guys. Oh yeah,
spicy meat. Yeah boy. That's it. That lovely.
This season to the bone guys. Yeah man. This was it. Chicken you saw me seasoning up yesterday. Yeah man. So I put it on the grill today. Thing full of flavor. Yeah, so good, so delicious. And I go back into the salmon again, guys. What y'all? Oh man, let's taste the salmon up. I mean, so good. And this is my style drink, guys. You saw me blending the ginger yesterday. Yeah, man. This is my natural cereal drink. No alcohol. It's all about ginger, cloves, and some pimento berries. And you wouldn't believe it. It tastes so good. Oh, aye. Yeah, man. The soil is up. Sorry, drink, bad. It really tastes good. So you guys, we have made it to the end of another video, guys. So what will you do for me? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice one. I'm out.